welcome. I am at Target and I'm here to share with you guys some deals with Ibotta. I actually need 10 more rebates to hit that 42 rebate bonus. I was not gonna think I was gonna hit it until like literally yesterday when I did a whole bunch of rebates at CVS and Walgreens, but I'm still waiting to see if I have the Monday the week voyeur, whatever they call it. I haven't had any, I don't have anything showing up yet, but I just need 10 more rebates and this ends before my haul on Thursday anyways. So let's go shopping and share with you some deals. Here we have the Aveeno Daily Moisture for $4.99. There is a $2 off Target Circle coupon that you can use, so you'll end up just paying $2.99, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, so you'll just get this bottle for just 99 cents. Here we have the Bulldog Face Scrub for $6.99, and then with Target Circle there is 30% off, so you'll end up just paying $4.89. But then there's an Ibotta deal for $3, so you'll just get this for $1.89. Here we have the Silk Oat Milk for $3.69. There is a $1.25 off digital coupon that you can use. You'll end up just paying $2.44, but then there is a $1.50 rebate that you can get with Ibotta, making your final price just 94 cents. The Snuggle deal is $7.99, and once you purchase 3 of them, you get a $10 gift card. When the Target Circle app, there is a 20% off coupon. So you'll end up buying 3 of them at $6.39 each. You'll pay $19.17 for all 3 of them, but then you get that $10 gift card, making it just $9.17 or $3.05 each. If you guys need some rebates, the Tresemme is 99 cents, and I actually have 2 rebates for 10 cents, any brand conditioner and any hair. So you'll just end up just getting this bottle for 79 cents, which is an okay deal. The Tom's deodorant is $4.89 for the women's deodorant, but then there is a 10% off Target Circle deal that you're gonna end up paying just $13.20, but I actually have a 2 off of 2 insert or Peely coupon that I found, so I will be paying $11.20, but with Ibotta you actually get $1.20 back, making it $3.60, and then you get your $5 gift card when you purchase the 3 of them. So it either come out to be $2.60 or 86 cents each with the coupon, or it'll come out to be $4.60 or $1.53. I think this is still a pretty good deal comparing to the other deals that we get for deodorant. So I forgot my coupons at home, but we're gonna do the Nivea lotion. This is $5.49. The post shave balm is $5.69, and the other shaving balm is $5.69. When you purchase 3 of them, you actually get a $5 gift card. So we're gonna do that. So this comes out to be $17.07. You'll pay that, then you'll get the $5 gift card. You can submit your receipt for $2 with Ibotta, $2.50 with Ibotta, and $2 with Ibotta. That is 3 different rebates that you'll get, making your final price is $5.07 or $1.69. You could do the 3 of these. My store doesn't have the face wash, but you could do these where it's $16.87 and it comes down to $5.37 for 3 of them. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to bring you my Target haul. So my store, I have never seen it this bad before. Number one, their shelves were like empty. There was not one fruit snack, there was hardly any granola bars. Like the shelves were empty like in so many places. They hardly had any meat, and a lot of stuff was like thrown all over the place. I went to go look at like the Revlon makeup, and I've never seen Revlon makeup so empty before. Like I don't know if it's just to do with the economy the way it is, or if they were just short on employees, but it was crazy with everything. So the one deal I really wanted to do was the Skintimate or Chic razors. The coupon says it didn't expire until February 19th. I get to the store and it's gone. So I'm like, okay. So then I had to refigure out some of this other stuff, and I was just like, okay, let's see what else we can do. So the first deal that you guys really want to do is the Snuggle laundry detergent. Now these are $7.99. Some of them were $8.49 and then some of them were $8.99. But this was $7.99. There is currently a, was it 20% Target Circle deal for it. I forgot to write it down, but I have it I said it in the video correctly, but there's like, I think it's 20% off. You'd pay $19.17 for the 3 of these, but you get a $10 gift card when you purchase the 3, making it $9.17 or just $3.05. So that is a great deal. I've actually been really liking the Snuggle products lately. I kind of want to use this and then another one, so I can kind of have like a dispenser in my laundry room, so I can just keep refilling it and refilling it and all that jazz. So definitely go ahead and do that one. The next deal we got is this oat silk milk. This was $3.69. There's currently a $1.25 off digital coupon on the Target Circle app. You would pay $2.44 for this, but then there is a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 94 cents. So I don't know if I'll drink this. I don't know if my husband will drink it, but if not, we're gonna definitely give it to my in-laws because they like a lot of that kind of stuff. So we got that. And like I said, I needed 10 rebates to do this rebate, to do the bonus. And then I was so happy that the midweek bonus, I only needed 10 rebates too. Graham, when I get done with this, can you come grab this? So the next deal I got is this Totino's pizza. This was actually ending like soon, so I didn't do a video for it, but this was $1.39. You'd pay $1.39 for it, but then there's a 20-cent rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.18. Graham, can you come grab this? So I got that. It was thawing out. And Graham's like, your thing is thawing out. So the next deal I did was the Tom's deodorant. Now the women's was cheaper than the men's, but these were $4.89. There's a 10% off Target Circle deal, making it $4.40. I had a 2 off of 2 Peely coupon that I had. So you would either pay $11.20 or $13.20, but you get a $1.20 back, $1.20 back, and $1.20 back when you purchase them with Ibotta. And then when you purchase 3 of them, you get a $5 gift card from Target. So your final total comes out to be $4.63 or $1.53 each, or if you have that coupon, $2.60 or 86 cents each. Now there was a printable coupon for Tom's. I don't know if that's still valid, but you guys might be able to use that. Now I was gonna totally cut this coupon out, totally forgot to cut it out, and then when I got to the store I'm like, crap, but I did not have any more coupons for these, so that's okay. So this was $5.49 and these were $5.69 for these. There are $2 off coupons, but they are a limit of 1. So I ended up buying these 3. You would end up paying $16.87 without any coupons for these items, but you get $2 for Ibotta for this one. You get $2.50 I think with Ibotta for this one, and you get $2 back. It's either $2.50 or $2 for one of the other ones. And when you purchase 3 of them, you get a $5 gift card, making it just $5.37 or $1.79. So it's an okay deal if you want to go ahead and do that. So the next deal I ended up getting is the Tresemme conditioner. Now, my store had it was 99 cents. When I get to the register, it was ringing up $1.49. So I had them price adjustment to 99 cents. So make sure you guys are checking your prices. But there was a 2 10-cent any rebates. I had one for hair care and then one for conditioner. So you technically get this for 79 cents. I like using these for when I travel. So I got that. The next deal I got is the Bulldog facial scrub. This was $6.99. There's a 30% off Target Circle deal. You would pay $4.89 for this, but then there is a $3 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.89. Now they had the moisturizers with the $4 Ibotta rebate, but those were like 11 bucks and I didn't have any coupons for them. And then the last deal I ended up getting was the Aveeno. This was $4.99. There is a $2 off digital Target Circle coupon that you end up using. You would pay $2.99 for this, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 99 cents. So I wanted to get the Skintimate, the coupon was gone. The Revlon matte lipstick I wanted to get, but my store was sold out. I thought I had a Purell $1 off coupon, but that expired. I wanted to get the Mountain Dew Spark. My store doesn't carry it. I wanted to get the super pretzels. My store was completely sold out of snacks whatsoever. It was crazy. I wanted to try to get the avocados. I picked one up. It just like fell apart in my hand. They were like completely black and rotten. It was disgusting. So I didn't get that. And then I wanted to get some of the sweet tart candies, but my store did not carry any of that. All their candy was gone. Like, it was ridiculous how much candy was gone. But I'm pretty happy with what I got. So my total came to $62.84 for everything. I did receive a $20 Target gift card to use for my next purchase. With Ibotta, I received $17 back, but then I finished these snacks for the Super Bowl bonus where I needed 42 rebates to get 10. I decided I only needed 10 more rebates, so let's just go ahead and do that. So $10 I got for that rebate, and then I finished the midweek where I only needed 10 rebates for $5, and I reached that. That would not pop up. I reset my phone I don't know how many times, and it still would not pop up. It finally showed up after I redeemed my or submitted my receipt. So yes, so my grand total came to $10.84. I got 14 items at just 77 cents each. I will take it because considering this right here is $8 just by itself, I think for $10.84 for all that stuff, I think is a pretty great deal. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys another time. Not sure when I'll do another Target haul. I kind of want to do more Target hauls, but it's also nice, you know, taking some breaks on certain things. But if there's a really hot deal, I'll probably go back again. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.